This video explains how to draw stacked bars within a grouped bar plot using the ggplot2 package in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a data frame that we can use in the example later on, as you can see in lines 2 to 6 of the code. So after running these lines of code, a new data set is appearing at the top right of RStudio, which is called data. And if you click on this data set, a new window is opened, which is showing the structure of our data frame. And as you can see, our data frame contains 4 columns. So the first column is called facet and will be used to split our data into different facets in our plot later on. The second column is a group indicator, which will be used to group our data. The third column is a stack indicator, which will be used to stack our bars. And the fourth column contains some random numeric values. Now, if we want to draw these data using the ggplot2 package, we also need to install and load the ggplot2 package, as you can see in lines 8 and 9 of the code. I have installed this package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 9. And then in the next step we can use the functions of the ggplot2 package, as you can see in lines 11 to 17. So in lines 11 to 14 of the code I'm using the ggplot function. Within this function I'm specifying our data set, data. Then I'm specifying the group column as x, the value column that contains the random numeric values as y. And the fill argument has to be set equal to our stacking column. Then in the next step I'm adding the geom_bar function to this code to specify that I want to draw a bar plot. And then I'm also adding the facet grid function in order to tell R that I want to show different facets. So if you run lines 11 to 17 of the code, you can see that at the bottom right a new graphic is created, and this graphic contains different facets which are based on our facet column. Then each of these facets contains 2 different groups, x and y, which are based on our group indicator. And then each of these groups contains 3 different portions which are based on our stack column, and these portions correspond to the subgroups A, B and C. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.